If you want to power off your Samsung Galaxy S26 without the screen lock passwords, if you try to shut down the phone and it requires you to enter the screen lock password, in order to solve that issue and still power off the phone, what you can do is you can go to the recovery mode with a little trick and power off in there. So what you need is you need to prepare a USB cable. Also, you need a computer or a laptop, and you will have to connect your phone to a computer, to your computer or laptop. But before we do that, first we need to force restart our phone. So first let me try to explain as best as I can how it works. We're gonna press power and volume down button at the same time to force restart the phone. It's going to take approximately 7 seconds, and after that time, the screen will shut down. Once the screen shuts down, you want to quickly connect the phone to your computer with the USB cable, and once you connect, immediately after that, press and hold power and volume up and hold both of these buttons until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. But once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, you want to let go the power button and hold volume up only until you open the recovery mode. So let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna press power and volume down. I'm gonna hold both of these buttons. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare the cable, then plug it in and press power and volume up, and then just volume up. There we go. And now we are in the Android recovery mode. Now in here in this menu, we can navigate by using volume buttons. So we need to select the power off option and then confirm by pressing the power button. We can actually unplug the USB cable by now. There we go. So just confirm by pressing the power button once you have the power off option selected, and the phone should shut down. Now there is a chance that the next time you turn on the phone, you will be back into the recovery mode. So let's see if that's the case, because I'm not sure. Yeah, there we go. So if that happens, you want to just choose reboot system. Now confirm with the power button, your phone will restart again, but this time it will go back into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.